It's recording. Here we are. Scorpion Harbor, Channel Islands. Benjamin, kayaker extraordinaire. Yep, there he goes. What's that ahead? Why are we going towards the mountain? That looks pretty big. Oh God, there's a hole in it. That looks like a sea cave to me. What does it look like up there to you? Whoa, that's a sea cave. I don't even know what to make of it, but it looks dark. Oh, there's a little bit of light in there. This looks promising. Whoa, yeah. That's a little bit what the view looks like out there. It's incredible. Oh, sure. Yeah. Oh, we are in a cave. There is no mistaking that. Hey Ben, how you doing?
Good.
Sure. It's a little dark in here. Give me a little smile. Let me see that punum. Oh, cute. Look at that beard. It's a full beard. There's a little rock right there. That's what we were maneuvering around. We just came in through there. Oh, it looks like there are rocks there. We can't get through that way. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Look at that. Whoa. What's this over here? Oh. I see light. Can we make it? It looks skinny and small. I don't know. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, it's not, it is not big in here. You sure? Yeah. No. Look at him using his hands and his paddles. He doesn't even blink. Yes. No, he does not. Wow, there's a hand. Careful, don't get hit. Wow. We just came from in there. Gorgeous. And that is the mainland. Back way, way, way over there. Welcome to your first cave experience. Sure. Not to be the last. Signing off.